That's what you kind of need, right? Oh, and he's come out looking to do that and getting the takedown within 10 seconds.
That might make a big difference. Day now searching for a Kimura here, but you might see Shoaib look to get to the back from this position if he can step that left leg over. But that, you see the intention from yousuf. He obviously understands that on the mat, he's got the advantage. You could almost feel like Day wilted at the end of that round and kind of just accepted positions. He doesn't look to stand back to his feet. So if you can get it to the ground, you're almost guaranteeing that you can take out that third round. Great early intelligence shown there from Shoaib.
But he's got to respect this Kimura grip, right? That's definitely what...
Yeah, he's struggling with it, but he could always turn it into his own Kimura.
Exactly, stepping over that armbar. Oh.
Still switches it back round though, does. Oh, come on, Day, nice work to get back to his feet, threaten that. And all that hard work now from Shoaib in the early seconds is taken away from him. See if he can convert this takedown now.
He's locking the Kimura on the other side now, Luke.
The long limbs, again, of Shoaib, that they're open to these Kimuras. And rigid power from Day.
And elbows now, short little ones.
He's going to try and go out to the back, get his head out maybe here.
Yeah, there we go.
Now he could step round and get the back.
Oh, he's got to watch it though.
And ends up on top.
This is great work from Day. Look at that, he committed to the Kimura grip. He stayed held on, now he's got this top position.
It's a powerful grip, this as well. He's got full lock.
Talking to his corner, just staying there. Look how he's extended that. Just needs to roll, right?
If he can get this knee out, this right knee is what the battle is right now. If he can loosen that right knee out and escape it, he can roll over, look to attack the Kimura or even take the back. So it's all about that right knee. If he can pass it through, he can roll over that shoulder.
Oh, he might get that free now. Look, he's inching it out there, Luke. Day here. You look at his record, he has 4 wins by submission.
Trying to get the full mount position here. Doesn't even need to get the full mount, just needs to keep this and roll through. Great control though from Shoaib on the bottom.
And now he's freed it. Wow, good work, composure. But what a threat now for the key lock.
Key lock's going to be tough to get. And he wraps up with this lockdown on this leg. So small advancements from Shoaib when he's under danger and he's under pressure. But now on the bottom with 2.5 minutes left to go.
Great work from Day, right? So he was taken down, he committed to the Kimura, then when it went back to the feet, committed to the other arm with the Kimura and has led to this position, a dominant position in round number 3 here against Shoaib yousuf. Watch the arm, watch the arm. Oh, yousuf comes out and listens to the crowd. Wow.
That's lit a fire under yousuf now. He knows he's got if he wants to take this round and look for a finish, he's got 2 minutes left. These two battling back and forth now on the ground, the most active they've been in the grappling.
Day though, what a turnaround that was at the start.
He's digging that underhook now is Day, going to look to try and get up to his to all fours, try and drive through for this takedown. Great work from Day to get back to his feet, extremely athletic to do that. Now has control of the head, but it's quite useless here if Shoaib can arch his back and get his head high, he can take the back. Oh, he tries to turn that neck though, has a chin strap. Beautiful work from Day. And he almost gets to the back, but forgets about one right arm that allows Shoaib to get back to the feet.
1 minute 22 seconds in round number 3. This has been the most fun round of the whole fight, right?
Yeah, been very, very bad, because Day's come out. He knows he's down 2 rounds. He knows he's got to show some urgency. And he's got to look for the win, and he went for that Kimura. Came close. Testing now for yousuf. Goes up to that knee to the head.
Oh, nice trip.
That sweep again.
Oh. Kicks that ankle away, but still the Kimura grip here on that far side.
Searching for it and bellies out. This is dangerous as well if he can find it. I think Shoaib can switch sides though if he wants. Does so. Tries to look to go to the back.
40 seconds now here.
Kick that leg out again if he wants to with that left leg. You could see Day roll here. Go for something crazy, he needs to.
The corner calling, giving him the timing as well, you can see that. He's let that go. Looks like the clock might just tick away from us here. 15 seconds left. Smile from Shoaib yousuf there on the back at us. Here in the corner. Oh, now separates, looks for a head kick. Oh, and still Day comes round.
Gets one hook. We'll see the end of that round.
Respect.
The assassin, Shoaib yousuf.